This is Erta Ale, the hottest, remotest, most unpleasant place in the world. It's where all the lava lakes are hiding. We're just going to walk over there. It's it's not far away, but it's extremely hot, and this is extremely heavy. Just getting the climbing gear ready for tonight. It's going to be fun.
And you got to yell, and the microphone's over here, not behind you.
It's very hot. Brad's in a bad mood. The heat's got to him.
Oh no, microphone is right over here.
Yeah, right there, yeah. Hi. Usually I'd use this to infer extreme heat, but in this case there really is extreme heat down there, so if you put the rope down there it would melt. Somebody would die. So the last 10 metres or so is going to be solid steel cable going to the harness inside the heat suit. It's going to be really hot. It's very, very close proximity to the lava, so extremely hot.